For this engineering activity, we are going to use some cardboard pipe or the inside of a foil roll or toilet rolls or any sorts of pipe you have to make a ball drop to let our loose parts run along that ball drop. It's a great way to teach our children about how things flow and how things roll and the course of action it takes. Very nice engineering principles in there. So let me show you our ball drop and we can discuss it there. Yeah, I've got the inside of a roll of foil and I've got two toilet rolls, and I'm going to build a ball drop. Now I'm just going to demonstrate on a flat surface what is necessary for a ball drop. We are going to obviously then not drop a ball but loose parts through these pipes. So you need a downward angle. So you take a wall, for instance, you are going to need an angle that is downward. If you make it more vertical, it's going to go faster, and as you make it more horizontal, it's going to go slower. There is going to come a point where the friction is too much and the loose part is not going to fall through, and then you can definitely add on a pipe. And what you can do is you can even put pieces of cardboard on the bends to change the direction that it goes in as well. But you should play around and see what works. Not every angle and not every direction is going to work, and that's what makes it fun. This is what makes this experiment awesome. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things. The egg is going to slowly at an angle that's flatter, and it's going to go really fast at an angle that is more inclined. So see there, 1 second, and there we have 2 seconds. See, let's see again, 1 second, and here we've got 2 seconds before it goes out. And then you can actually time it. So if you look at the surface area here, it's a little bit smaller than the surface area here, so this will generate more friction. So let's see, at an inclined angle, I think it's going to be the same, about 1 second. 1 second, yes, and at a little bit of a angle that is not as steep, we've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it, see, the friction was too much, so we need a steeper angle. And there it comes out. So at this angle, let's see, 1, 2, 3 seconds, and let's take the egg, 1, 2 seconds. Really interesting to see. So you can play around with the different surface areas, with the different shapes, and see what they do on your ball run with various angles.